Good day. Thanks for joining me. This is Adobe Fikemba. I told you in this channel I'll be teaching you physics, chemistry, biology. So go watch the previous video of all the subjects I've taken. Okay. Today we're looking at physics, and then in physics we're looking at fundamental physical quantities and derived physical quantities. Now, when we talk about fundamental physical quantities and derived physical quantities, we're looking at for fundamental physical quantities. These are the bedrock in physics. Okay, they're also known as base quantities. The reason is because all other quantities are derived from them. Why derived physical quantities are quantities outside of the fundamental quantities. Okay, so they are quantities outside of the fundamental quantities. The fundamental quantities are grouped into 7. So I'm going to tabularize them to make it very easy for you and very fast. They are grouped into 7. So let's look at fundamental quantities are grouped into 7 and their units. Okay, so here we take units, and then this is the quantity. Fundamental quantity. Okay, so the quantity is just the short form for that. So number 1, we have length. Okay, the unit is what? Meter. Okay, is represented with m, a small m. Number 2, we have mass. Mass is a fundamental quantity, and it is what? Its unit is kilogram. Then we have kg. Number 3, we have time. What is the unit? Seconds. So if you want to represent seconds, S. Number 4, we have electric current. Okay, electric current is also a fundamental quantity. Okay, amperes is this unit, amperes as A. Number 5, we have amount of substance. Number 5, amount of substance. Okay, amount of substance is what? Moles. So you represent it this way, mole. Number 6, we have temperature. Okay, temperature is what? Kelvin, and then represented as K. And lastly, the 7th one is what? Luminous intensity, represented as what? Candela, CD. Do you see it now? So these are the 7 fundamental quantities. We have length, mass, time, electric current, amount of substance, temperature, and what? Luminous intensity. Their units are meter, kilogram, seconds, amperes, moles, Kelvin, and candela. Now, quickly, let's look at some examples of derived quantities, okay, and their units. So I will just clean this place and put derived and then units. So I'm going to give. So we've looked at the fundamental quantities. We said there are 7 in number. Now we're looking at the derived quantity. So the derived quantities, they are gotten from the fundamental quantity. Number 1, we're going to look at, number 1 is what? Speed. Speed is a scalar quantity. So speed is meter per second, okay? Number 2, velocity. Velocity is the vector quantity. Velocity, we have meter also per second. Take note. The reason is because as I'm writing both, I wanted you to know the differences between. Okay, number 3, we have acceleration. Just follow me. Acceleration is meter per second square. Number 4, we have work done. Work done is what? Joules. Number 5, we have energy. Energy is also what? Joules. Number 6, we have area. Area is meter square. Number 7, we have volume. Volume is what? Meter cube. Number 8, we have power. Okay, Power is what? Its unit is what? Watts. Okay? Okay? Number 9. I want you on the comment section to tell me these units, what they can, other units that can be used to represent them. Okay? Number 9, let's look at specific latent heat. Specific latent heat. So say latent heat is joule per kilogram per Kelvin. Let's look at number 10, heat capacity. Heat capacity. Heat capacity is joule per Kelvin. Okay, heat capacity is joule per Kelvin. The next number, number 11, we have latent heat. Okay, latent heat is joule per kilogram. Okay, because of the what's it called? Because of the, I want you to get the board and all that. I will clean again and start up. So we have latent heat. So number 11, we'll stop at 11. So let me just clean some space here. Okay. So let's look at number 12. Number 12 is moment. Moment is what? Newton meter. Okay. Number 13. Okay, is surface tension. Surface tension is force per unit length, which is equals to Newton per meter. Okay, number 14 is stress. Stress is Newton per meter square. Number 15 is Young modulus. 15 is what? Young modulus. Young modulus is also Newton per meter square. Okay. Number 16. Number 16 is resistance, which is what? Number 17 is resistivity, which is meter. Number 18 is conductivity, which is per meter. Okay. Number 19 is power. Power is what? Watts. And let's look at number 20. Can they see there? Okay. Power is watts. And lastly, let's look at number 20. Number 20 will be pressure. Let me put pressure. Okay. Pressure is force acting per unit what? Area. So pressure will be what? Newton per meter square. So with this, we've been able to look at the derived quantity. So I gave you 20. I want you on the comment section, I'd like you to give me at least 3 or 4 new more derived quantities and their units. Thank you. See you in the next class. I'd like you to follow me if you're not following me. Thank you.